Hi everyone, your I can statement for this lesson is I can make change by subtracting. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding out how much change we should get back after purchasing an item. The way that we're going to be doing that today is by using base 10 blocks. So this video is appropriate for you if you use base 10 blocks in order to do your subtraction. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend today like we are going to a concession stand. And I have on my phone a menu from a concession stand. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to pretend like we are going to purchase an item from this concession stand. And we're going to have to figure out if we pay for a certain item, how much money we should get back. So here are some prices in the concession stand menu. There's a lot of good stuff to buy. Today we're going to pretend like we are purchasing a small cookie. And the price of a small cookie is $1.26. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend like we go to the concession stand and the cashier will ask us what we want and we're going to say we want a small cookie. The cashier will say that will cost $1.26. We're going to hand them a $5 bill and use that to pay for our cookie. So what we need to find out is how much money do we get back after paying for our cookie. What we're going to do is we're going to subtract with base 10 blocks. So we are going to take the $5 that we gave the cashier and we're going to take out the $1.26 that we use to pay for the cookie. So remember, we're not drawing $5 and $1.26 because we're not buying two items here. We're not putting the cost of two items together. We're going to take how much we paid and minus what the cookie cost to figure out how much we're going to get back. So we're going to start off with $5 when we would draw 500s. Oops. Sorry, squares are a little hard to draw upside down. So we have 500s, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. But you could also say for this purpose, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. So what we're going to end up needing to do is we're going to need to take out 6 ones. But we don't have 6 ones to take out yet. So we're going to have to regroup or trade or exchange from the hundreds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 100 and I'm going to trade it out for 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So you can see that this 100 and that 100, they both equal 100, but the tens, we're counting by tens instead of by hundreds. I still need to take out 6 ones, but I still don't have 6 ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to borrow, I'm going to regroup, I'm going to trade or exchange from the tens. I'm going to make that 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough to take out my 6 ones. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm left with 4 ones. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at how many tens I need to take away. I need to take away 2 tens. 10, 20. I'm left with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then for my hundreds, I had 500s, but I had to regroup ones. Now I have 400s, and I have to take 100 away. I'm left with 100, 200, 300. My answer is 374, or you could write it as $3.74. We paid with the $5. We subtracted how much the cookie cost, and we got our change, which was $3.74. Your I can statement for this lesson was I can make change by subtracting, and we did that with our subtraction strategy, which was subtracting with base 10 blocks.